This is the glass elevator that takes you down to the second basement here at the Sheraton Hotel here in downtown Toronto, Ontario. And this is a Fujitec with Dewhurst. Here it comes.
Walk below, concourse, going down.
Fujitec. Got a very nice glass over, as you can see. It's pretty cool. The only thing I hate is that there's no glass doors on the inside. Wow.
2 below, grand ballroom, going up.
Yes, we are going up. There. Wow, that's a lot.
1 below, concourse.
See, Fujitec. Basement number 2, service cabinet's open, which is weird. These are Dewhurst buttons here, see? I.
Two below, grand ballroom, going up.
Wow. Seems like it's pretty cool.
1 below, concourse.
Wow. Watch this. Wow.
2 below, grand ballroom.
Watch this. Oh, wow.
1 below, concourse.
Let's watch the doors close. There goes the elevator. Look at this thing. It's a very unique elevator, as you can see. It's lovely. And I guess that is going to be it.